Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a failing brake master cylinder and it's time to replace it? The brake master cylinder contains a push rod, primary piston, secondary piston, return springs, various seals, and so on. And when an internal component fails, such as a bad seal, this will cause a loss of pressure in the hydraulic system. And when you step on the brake pedal, you'll notice braking issues. The first sign that you know that your brake master cylinder is failing is and it feels like the brake pedal is sinking all the way, but it won't rise back up. That's how you know your master cylinder is failing internally. The next sign that you know that your brake master cylinder is failing is inconsistent braking. For example, at times it feels like your brake system is working, and at times it feels like your brake system is not working. Here's an example of inconsistent braking. You're driving down the road and you see the stop sign, you start applying the brake, and your vehicle stops fine. Next, you proceed to drive and you see the next stop sign and you apply the brakes. Now it feels like your vehicle won't come to a stop. That's how you know your brake master cylinder is failing. The next sign that you know that your brake master cylinder is failing is spongy brake. So when you step on the brake pedal and it feels extremely spongy, it's like it's going down, then it's going up, it's going down, then it's going up, and it feels like this. That's how you know your brake master cylinder is failing again. The next sign that you know that it's time to replace that master cylinder is leaks. If you see leaks right at the back side of the master cylinder or the brake booster or at the firewall, that's how you know it is time to replace that master cylinder. Another sign that you know that your brake master cylinder may be failing is the brake warning light turning on. So when your brake master cylinder is leaking fluid, the fluid is going to drop to a low level, and this sensor over here is going to trigger that brake warning light. If your brake warning light turns on, first thing first, make sure your brake fluid is top off. If your brake fluid is top off and you're constantly losing brake fluid, again, check for leaks on the backside of the master cylinder. Also, make sure you don't have a bad caliper or a bad wheel cylinder or a bad brake line, because these can also cause leaks when it fell. The quickest and fastest way to determine if you have a bad brake caliper or a bad wheel cylinder is you're gonna see brake fluid on the inside of the wheel. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.